as the rain begins to fall. Gentle whispers I recall. Final crackles, night unfolds. Melodies in warm and bold. Rhodes piano, smooth and light, guides me through the moonlit night. Soft guitar with jazzy sway dances in a mellow way. In this quiet, tranquil flow, mind at ease, a gentle glow. Subtle beats and deep embrace find me in this peaceful place. Sub-bass hums with warm refrain. Drums groove softly in the rain. Dreamy notes in twilight's glow, taking me where breezes blow. Raindrops patter soft and sweet, keeping time with every beat. Melody so pure and free wraps me in its harmony. In this quiet, tranquil flow, mind at ease.